Welcome to Bachpan School Mangalgiri. Hi parents. Bachpan School students went to outdoor trip today. Students had a great time at Eco Park in Mangalgiri. Students participated in Swachhandra program and took Swachhata pledge. All the students had a great time in park. Let us see